Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how South Korea transformed its economy. Following the devastation of the Korean War, South Korea faced immense poverty, with a per capita GDP of less than $100. The government initiated ambitious 5-year economic development plans, strategically guiding the nation's recovery. These early efforts concentrated on developing light manufacturing and fostering export-oriented industries, laying the crucial groundwork for future prosperity and growth. Building on its initial success, South Korea strategically pivoted towards heavy and chemical industries during the 1970s. This period saw the rise of powerful conglomerates, or chaebols, which received substantial government backing to drive industrial expansion. Crucially, the nation also made massive investments in education, cultivating a highly skilled and dedicated workforce, essential for its rapid industrialization and technological advancement. As the economy matured, South Korea made a decisive shift into high-tech sectors, becoming a global leader in electronics, semiconductors, and telecommunications. Both the government and private industries poured significant resources into research and development, fostering a culture of innovation. This strategic focus, combined with an aggressive pursuit of international trade agreements, firmly integrated South Korea into the global economy, expanding its market reach. South Korea stands today as a high-income economy with advanced infrastructure and a vibrant, innovative spirit. Beyond its industrial might, the nation has also become a global cultural powerhouse, with K-pop, dramas, and films captivating audiences worldwide. This blend of economic strength and cultural influence truly showcases its remarkable transformation. Don't forget to check the description for a link to those fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.